Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of the Unbearably Bullish podcast, the official podcast of the Bull You Can't Bear. I am your host, Donald Johns, and this is Future Forward Friday, where every Friday we explore the ideas, technologies, innovations, and mindsets that are shaping the future. If you've been following this series, you know one thing. The future, it isn't 10 years away. It isn't 5 years away. It's happening right now. And today we're talking about something that is quietly transforming one of the most powerful systems in the world, and that is Wall Street. Because while most investors are watching stock prices, something much bigger is happening behind the scenes. Artificial intelligence is changing how research is conducted, how portfolios are built, how risk is managed, how markets are monitored, and even how financial advisors serve their clients. The truth is, Wall Street, it isn't preparing for AI anymore. Wall Street's already using it. So today, we're pulling back the curtain. Welcome to Wall Street 2.0. Think about this for a moment. 40 years ago, research analysts spent weeks poring over printed financial reports. Traders, they relied on phones, paper tickets, and instinct. 25 years ago, I was a part of that. Portfolio managers built investment strategies using spreadsheets and experience. Today, markets generate an extraordinary amount of information every single second. Corporate earnings, economic reports, interest rates, global events, commodity prices, shipping data, consumer spending, social sentiment, satellite imagery, thousands upon thousands of data points. No individual could ever process all of it, but artificial intelligence can help investment teams organize that information, identify patterns, and surface insights far more quickly than traditional manual processes. Notice I said help, not replace, because investing has never been about collecting the most information. It's about making better decisions. Let's take a look inside modern investing today. Imagine you're managing billions of dollars. Every morning you're asking questions. Where are the risks? Where are the opportunities emerging? Has something changed overnight? Has inflation shifted? Are supply chains improving? Is consumer demand slowing? Artificial intelligence can assist professionals by reviewing enormous amounts of market data, identifying relationships, highlighting unusual activity, and helping analysts focus their attention more efficiently. Think of AI as an incredibly fast research assistant. It doesn't eliminate human judgment. It just enhances it, because no algorithm understands your investment goals. No model understands your family's future. No machine can replace wisdom, experience, ethics, or accountability. Technology, it accelerates analysis. People remain responsible for decisions. Now, here's where many investors, they make a mistake. When they hear AI investing, they think about only one or two technology companies, but AI, it isn't one company, it's an ecosystem. To build artificial intelligence, you need advanced semiconductor designers and manufacturers. You need networking infrastructure to move massive amounts of data. You need cloud computing providers with enormous processing capability. You need cybersecurity companies protecting basically all the digital infrastructure. You need software developers building enterprise AI tools. You need utilities, power systems, and cooling technology to support energy-intensive data centers. It's like building an entire city. The skyscrapers, they always get all the attention, but without the roads, the electricity, the water, communications, and your infrastructure, the city just never functions. The same is true for artificial intelligence. Understanding the ecosystem, it's going to help you better understand the broader innovation economy that will help you invest. Now, here's where the question that really matters. Why should any of this matter to you? Well, because AI isn't only changing investment firms, it's changing retirement planning, business operations, healthcare, manufacturing, real estate, logistics, education. I mean, nearly every industry is feeling its impact. If you're an entrepreneur, AI, it may help you automate repetitive tasks. If you're a financial advisor, it may help you spend more time with your clients. If you're an investor, it may influence the companies you research and the industries you follow. And if you're simply saving for retirement, these innovations could shape the businesses driving future economic growth. This isn't just Wall Street's story, it's everyone's story. Now, here's my favorite part. Despite all this incredible technology, the most valuable asset, it hasn't changed. It's you. Artificial intelligence can calculate, but it can't build trust. It can recognize patterns, but it can't replace integrity. It can summarize information, but it can't inspire people. It can automate tasks, but it can't build meaningful relationships. The future, it belongs to those who combine technology with human judgment, curiosity, critical thinking, leadership, communication, adaptability. Those aren't becoming obsolete. They're becoming more valuable. Let's do the bull's bottom line here. Let me leave you with this. Every generation experiences a technological revolution. The steam engine, electricity, the automobile, the computer, the internet, and how it's artificial intelligence today. History has shown us that innovation creates disruption, but it also creates opportunity. The investors who thrive aren't necessarily the ones chasing every headline. They're the ones who stay informed, remain disciplined, and continue learning as the world evolves. The future won't reward those who fear change. It will reward those who prepare for it. In closing, I want to thank you again for joining me for another Future Forward Friday on the Unbearably Bullish podcast. If today's episode gave you a new perspective on how technology is reshaping investment, share it with a friend, colleague, or fellow investor. Next Friday, we're taking this conversation even further. We'll explore one of the most fascinating frontiers in innovation and what it could mean for investors, entrepreneurs, and the future of business. You won't want to miss it. Until then, visit us at thebullyoucan'tbear.com. Please join the movement, subscribe wherever you listen to the podcast, and remember, strong markets, stronger mindset, unlimited opportunity, connect, collaborate, and monetize. I'm Donald Johns. Thank you for listening. And until next time, stay unbearably bullish. And we love all of you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful Future Forward Friday. Thank you very much.